In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos on Udemy quickly and efficiently. Whether you're on the go or just want to have your learning materials readily available offline, knowing how to download these videos can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to log in to your Udemy account. Head over to the Udemy website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, locate the My Learning section. This area is essentially your personal dashboard, where all the courses you've enrolled in are neatly organized. Next, navigate to the course you're interested in. Perhaps there's a specific subject or instructor you're keen on exploring further. It's all available here. Once you've opened the course page, you'll see a list of lectures and materials available for that course. Choose the particular video lecture you need. Click on it to start playing. This step ensures that your desired video is ready for download. As the video begins to play, direct your attention to the video player controls. You'll spot a settings icon, which typically looks like a gear or cogwheel. Click on it to open a new menu. This settings icon is your gateway to various customization options related to video playback and, of course, downloading. In this menu, you'll find the Download Lecture option. Selecting this option initiates the download process. This step is particularly crucial if you plan on viewing the content offline without the convenience of internet access. Remember, downloading lectures is not always available for every course due to restrictions from instructors, so make sure that this option is indeed clickable for your chosen video. Once you click Download Lecture, the process begins. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the lecture, this may take some time. So be patient. You'll often get a notification or see an icon indicating that the download is in progress. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Udemy video lecture. With this video now available offline, you can learn at your own pace and convenience, regardless of your internet connection. If you plan on downloading several lectures, just repeat these steps for each one. Enjoy your learning journey with more flexibility and freedom. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to expand your skills and enhance your learning experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your courses.